Yo guys, what's up? It's the Korean Kid, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys a lace swap on the brand new Jordan 1 Bred 2s. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, now that I successfully removed the laces, I'm going to be swapping out the black laces with these white laces, and yeah, let's just get into that.
In my hoodies, all my homies think it's dank. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses.
Alright guys, so now that I'm done switching the laces, what do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the black laces that it comes with? Or do you guys prefer the white laces that you can get with, that you can get at like a Finish Line or something? I personally believe that the white laces look the best. They remind me of Chicago 1s when they're like this, and it kind of gives it a nice like Bred plus black toe plus Chicago vibe for me. And I'm going to show you guys an on feed of me wearing both of these so you guys can really just decide which ones you like the most. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.
I just opened up the pack in an hour. I'll ask my lucky. Tonight she just yelling fuck me. 2 weeks she'll be yelling fuck me. Used to like orange cassette tapes with Timmy, Tommy, and Chuck.